You don't know it's a girl Latonia over here, so.
And Sade working over here.
Yeah, period.
Purr.
And today basically what we are going to do is a smash or pass on male Jamaican YouTubers.
Yes, guys, and please remember to leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe.
Hit the notification bell for whenever I upload a video. Yeah, if comment down below if you don't like what we are doing.
Yes.
Yeah, period. Comment to no ideas you wanna have, yeah. Period.
Yeah. Alright. So let's get straight into the video. Alright. So first we have first person. World Dog.
Mother pass.
Yeah, that's pass World Dog.
Pass.
Mother pass World Dog. I think kinda too loud.
Me not really know him like that, but mother pass.
Fry Irish.
Fry Irish, yeah. Smash.
Yeah, put it down, say. Alright, so the next person on our list is Akeem. Was boyfriend Akeem. Me not smash him.
Smash.
You don't smash him?
Was Akeem, me I say.
No, was Akeem.
Akeem. Yeah, mother smash him.
Okay.
He nice.
Mood, no, me not really watch them. Twy and Neeks. Twy from Twy, that's
Twy, yeah. Smash
Twy,
too.
brother.
Smash.
Mood smash Twy.
Twy is a cool guy, you know?
He seems cool for true, but mood smash him. Comment nice in our video. Watch you hold on and come comment nice in our video. Watch the whole on and comment nice in our nice YouTube video. Listen, Gavin. On the top of that, now good up YouTube video.
Hey. Hey yo.
My best friend in here.
Pass.
Dina crazy.
Smash.
Dina. Oh yes, smash.
Dina. When he say when he rain and fall and he must see cat something go give you.
Hey! Only in our video and me pay nice. Not quite a video.
Shut up, guys.
Thank
We're doing
you.
a video, guys.
Guys, that's how we have to load car, you know.
People so we there back again, but not many people them wanna hear in our background.
No, we're so finished, guys. Alright, like we tell. Dino.
Watcha, brother.
We smash our past male Jamaican YouTubers. Yeah,
Get away.
Yeah,
Let's go. We're going
Get
out.
away with
Dylan, we smash our past male YouTubers. Yeah, Jan.
brother.
Alright, I would think about it.
You know hear it?
Brother.
You know hear what I'm saying?
Period.
Dylan, we smash our past male YouTubers. Yeah, Jan.
No.
Alright. Dina crazy. But that's smash Dina crazy. Period. He look nice. He look poor, but he look nice.
God.
Prince Pine. Smash our pass, Prince
I
Pine.
don't know him. Pass.
Smash. What? Girl, you know Prince Pine.
I don't know him like that.
Oh, but you know who me thought?
No, I don't have a clue.
Oh, my.
I don't know who is this.
Well, we always wear one long boot, one long dirty boot in our video and in the maga one
I
time.
don't know him.
He might have one of the few comedians them. Guys, sorry, you know.
Give me the pics.
Who that?
Jim, I don't know Jim Body.
No.
I don't know if my YouTuber, but in dance and with people. Yeah, having in channel. So, call it my YouTuber. But anyway, anyways, get to the point.
Nitro Immortal.
Pass.
Yeah, pass.
I don't know him like that, but
You know, so me not really. He just look like little pitney. I just that. He just look too young. It don't look like if me stand up beside him, me go prison for him because them gonna ask me I did pitney. That's a my reason me a pass him.
I don't know him, man. Just a pass as it.
You don't know him or you know who me I thought though?
I never watch no video with. When
I him did the most of the videos them where Jamaica relatable videos.
Oh, me know him, but me don't know him like that. Watch couple line video, but not all.
Hey, you see if they ever in my background, I'm gonna go juke. If I listen to this video and in the background, I go juke out to one of them. Razor blade.
Razor blade. Smash.
Yeah, smash razor. I smash razor too. I like a chocolate.
Bang,
them.
bang. Smash.
Yeah. Two smash I give him. Alright, so Klein for Nikki and Klein.
Smash.
Who the smash him?
I like Klein. I like his song them. You know, his song conscious song you see, you
I like
know.
his song them too. Me rate his song, me rate him personal.
Then why you don't smash him then I
Because
don't.
alright, you see Klein look like them bad man. No criminal bad man, no, but them man they were just rough up woman. That's some little man.
Well, me
like
smash him. Give me American.
Straight. That's all that easy, you know. Yeah, kill me.
Don't get me wrong, you know, people.
No, Nikki can't beat with fair man. But like Nikki, if you left him and if you need it out there, she go smash your man. Just know. If you watch this. Chuckstar.
Time up. Yeah.
Yeah, tie him up.
No, I sang when you have one song when you
Oh, you love song?
him a Ali J.
Oh, me no know.
You know what? You need to
But me not really watch him, so that's why.
So come, smash or pass.
You first. Yes.
Smash.
Me not smash Chuckstar.
Chuckstar a nice boy, you know see. Girl,
He's sweet, he's handsome, but
Girl,
if
they
he...
love him though.
Me not know.
Alright, me shake it up.
He in favor my cousin too much. Chuckstar favor my little cousin that I Kevin. So, that's why. You look like me and him related. RJ. I mean, yeah, we
Smash.
Smash. Mood a
Just
smash.
smash. I just
RJ
a smash
too.
him for no reason. I just a smash.
Mood a Quiet
You not
Perry.
tell the people
Quiet Perry.
pass.
Why the pass plan Quiet
Me
Perry?
don't know him.
Girl. You don't know like the OGs them a comedy in Jamaica? Quiet Perry. Smash. Smash Quiet Perry. Me love Quiet Perry. Me obsessed with Quiet Perry. Quiet Perry make me want to start YouTube. But me not funny. So I guess that's the end of our list.
Yep.
That's the end of
I just a move like a bitch.
that do because you rhyme.
Yeah, move like a one bitch, you know.
Gano. Right now, what kind of bitch? A bad bitch them? Like a bad bitch or like
Yeah, move like a
uptight
one
bitch?
Yeah, move like a one bitch. Like bitch.
Girl! A prank, yeah, prank
And
me.
I prank that. No,
Miss
a
Chin.
serious thing.
Hold on, Miss Chin. Hold on.
Me do want to
Hold on. Pause. Play.
Sade, I don't know prank. Can I move like a bitch?
Girl, me too fool for say. Me too fool and big headed for you call me. So
You want
me say
bitch.
it's a prank.
You just
Girl,
a
me
bitch.
don't say a prank, yeah, prank. Me
You
say
want
it,
bitch.
Fist me don't give me
You
a
want
bitch.
bitch.
Fist me don't give me a bitch.
Sade, you know say I want your mate girl.
Me no say me a yammed still on the word.
The prank fail. It can't, it fail.
Wait!
It can't go.
If you did say Sade, yeah, yam head, me just say, alright, yeah. Me a yam head for you, but don't say bitch. Cause me too fool for say you say me a bitch. Me a idiot. Big idiot.
No, brother.
That's
I
it.
just,
Hey,
me a plan you how long in a just any video all of a sudden, so brother, me a...
girl, me tell you. You see, first go say me answer her one bad bitch or one uptight bitch. You see, she say uptight bitch and me say no man.
You go say prank, me I go put up here and say prank feet, man. Prank feet.
You can't suppose. If it is the yam head, no. Tamar. Yeah. Miss Gina try to prank me. I didn't know about this. Prank you say what? Tell her say what?
Bitch.
Say me a bitch. Me say, if she did say me a yam head, would I believe? But it's a bitch. No, me say me a big idiot. You can't prank me. Team Sade YK. she can prank me. I don't know how she feel like. She can
fail.
Come sit down. Come sit down and let them see the glory on me. Prank failed, guys. What she did like? She didn't prank me. I'm a big idiot. You have to prank me for both things that really hurt me. Every time people call me.
Prank fail, guys. I true because me just chip in and say me go prank you and me just try. It never work out still.
A bear. Prank fail, guys. Period. Come let me get high.
Next time I go get him, guys. Remember when me get him last time? And you fi try get me back, you not try get me back.
I threw my hand. Hey guys, me try prank her one time and now well start up and me set up everything. Me and 2 other people. And then me pause the video and say, guys, me can't do this. Me not do this. Me
Do you prank them?
Eh?
Try a prank. Alright, so any video.
Okay, bye guys.
Goodbye,
and thanks
guys.
for watching.
Mwah.
Remember to drop a comment.
Yeah.
Remember to subscribe. Remember to touch that bell and support the thing.
Yeah.
Because if you don't support, we won't move from here. What with it? 150 subscribers.
Road to 200 sub, guys. So first get to 200 subs soon, please, guys.
Yes, guys, and visit my channel. It's really dead over there,
guys.
but
Tell them my channel name.
Sade YK.
Yay.
Period.
Per.
Out.